Welcome! This video provides a technical overview of plug and play, a crucial innovation in computing. We will explore how PNP enables devices to function automatically, right from the moment of connection to full operation. Plug and play, or PNP, is a technology that allows your computer to automatically detect and configure a new hardware device, eliminating the need for manual setup. This process involves three core steps: detect, configure, and use. You use plug and play every day. Common examples include USB drives, keyboards, mice, and printers. In each case, the device has a unique vendor ID and product ID that the operating system reads to instantly find the correct driver. The plug-and-play process follows 6 steps. First, you connect the device, and the hardware detects the electrical signal. Next, the device announces itself by sending its unique ID codes. The OS then finds and installs the correct driver, making the device ready to use. Key components make PNP possible. The device firmware stores the IDs, the host controller detects the connection, the OS PNP manager finds drivers and allocates resources, and the device driver acts as the software translator between the device and the OS. Plug and play fundamentally differs from legacy devices. PNP automatically assigns resources and installs drivers, eliminating manual IRQ and DMA setup, system restarts, and complex configuration required in the past. PNP made computing significantly more accessible. When you insert a USB drive, the entire PNP sequence happens in milliseconds. The host controller signals the OS, the device IDs are read, the OS matches them to the USB mass storage driver, and the device mounts, ready for use, all within 1 second. In summary, PNP automates device detection and configuration using vendor and product IDs, making connections seamless. This technology standardized hardware interfaces like USB, making complex systems easy for everyone to use.